Good morning, YouTubers, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers, guys. What's going on? It's me, Marlon O Bennett, guys, and we're back for another affiliate marketing email list building lifestyle YouTube video. And actually, what we're going to do in today's video is we're going to move to part two of the give stuff away, build a list, make money online, okay, by simply giving stuff away. Now, for you guys who actually came into the actual capture page, then you guys should have already picked up your free list building capture page. Okay, it's a capture page system, and it's actually an autonomous list building system. You guys should already have that. And if for any reason you haven't already picked up that free system, then simply click below this video, guys, and go ahead and pick that system up so we can move on in this video. Now, this video is being uploaded to my affiliate marketing email list building lifestyle YouTube channel. The channel is relatively new. You guys know that it actually centers around the beautiful art of list building. So in other words, guys, legally, ethically, by any means necessary, I want you guys to step into the art of list building. Absolutely anybody can do this. In my mind, hands down, it's the absolute best way to create your own economy, okay? To speak your own success into existence, because what? If you can build a list, you can build a list, you can build a business, people. Okay, now, so guys, let's pick right up where we left off on that last video. I told you guys that you could actually give stuff away and that you could build a list and that you could make money. So if you picked up that actual autonomous list building system, which includes a capture page, remember we talked about the capture page, the front door to your list building effort. Then inside your members area, you're going to find a variety of lead and traffic generation sources and resources. I mean, that's inside your members area. But what I've done, guys, because I told you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing on steroids and how to supercharge your list building effort. What we're going to do right below this video, I have some additional traffic and lead generation resources as well. That means you can use the ones inside of your members area, right? Or you can actually plug right into the actual bonus training, traffic, lead generation, list building techniques, tactics, and strategies right below this video. And I actually included some actual videos. For example, we're going to be talking about login ads and things of that nature. Things that's not actually covered inside the actual members area. But, you know, I just want to give you guys a little bit of variety. And so I want to also say this. Whatever you do, guys, don't inundate yourself with information overload. I have to repeat this. Don't inundate yourself with information overload. You now have an autonomous list building system, okay, and you can start monetizing that actual system anytime that you want. You guys have gone through the members area. You should fully understand how simple and easy this can be. Now, the reason I'm actually saying don't inundate yourself with information overload, because that's what happened with me when I first got started. That's what happened with a lot of the affiliate marketers and direct sales and MLMers and network marketers when they first get started. They simply inundate themselves with too much information at one time. But the reason I talk about SOPs, which are standard operational procedures, in most of my videos is because when you have a standard operational procedure, an SOP, basically you have a blueprint that you can actually follow. And in these videos, guys, we're simply talking about building a list. Okay, we're simply talking about giving stuff away, building a list, and making money. And absolutely everything you need to start doing that right now today is on this website. Now, for you people who are on YouTube, and I'm going to upload this to all my YouTube channels. If you happen to be finding this, guys, I'll leave this information in the YouTube video description area so you guys can access it and actually get onto the actual website. Because unless you actually opted into one of my lead capture pages, you will not have access to the information on this website. You'll only, you'll see these YouTube videos and you might be trying to figure out what is it that he's talking about. Well, we build a list, guys, by giving stuff away and we make money. So I'm building my list, and I advise and suggest you use this exact same process to do exactly what it is you see me doing right now. So again, for all my YouTubers, you'll find the actual access to this training and this website right below in the YouTube video description area. Now, I'm going to close the video out by saying this. There are so many different techniques, tactics, and strategies, guys, that we can actually use to start building our list, that I'm only going to really throw in a few extras on this website because I don't want you to get inundated with information overload. And of course, my phone will be ringing right now, and I don't know how to stop it because it's actually my father's phone. So I'm sorry, guys. You have to forgive me for that. So let me just say this, guys, in summing up where we are in part 2 of Give Stuff Away, Building This and Make Money. I'm going to let this phone stop for 1 second. Okay, good. Now, you'll find, if you haven't already, go down and click the button above or below to access your autonomous list building system. You know, and let me explain one other thing. When I say an autonomous list building system, an automated autonomous list building system, if you guys have followed along in that video inside of your members area, then you understand exactly what I mean by autonomous. We're talking about building a list that can grow exponentially. And if you watch the videos, then you'll also understand how your list can grow exponentially, which means your list will grow not only through the efforts that you actually institute, but through the efforts of other people that you invite this incredible system to as well. And so you're able to build a list exponentially. And we call it that's why I refer to them as an autonomous list building system. So again, on this website, right below this particular video, you'll find any number of over-the-shoulder training on additional lead and traffic generation techniques, tactics, and strategies. I'm going to throw some bonus trainings and I'll actually show you guys a couple. You'll get to actually see a couple of the opportunities that I'm actually marketing using these systems inside of this system, and you guys are welcome to vet or visit and vet those as well. And I'm really super pumped up and really super excited for you as a brand new affiliate email marketing list builder. Okay, and I'm going to close out by saying don't fall for the banana in the tailpipe, guys. A lot of people will make you believe that you can't build your own economy, or you can't build a home-based business or a side hustle by building a list. They'll tell you anything but. And that's just because they're probably trying to pitch a particular business, service, and or opportunity or piece of software, whatever the case may be. But when it comes to building a list, guys, you only really need a few things, and that capture page and that autonomous list building system, which you now have instant access to, or if you don't, you will shortly following or anytime during this video. You can actually go out and start building your own list, okay? And you can monetize that list by giving stuff away, creating relationships as the list that you build as you start to build it, and you can actually extract and monetize money from that list, and as you're doing it every step of the way, okay? Anyway, if you're finding me on my affiliate marketing email list building lifestyle video YouTube channel, right? If you're finding that channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys. This channel is relatively new. I'm going to load this video up on all my other YouTube channels anyway until I get up to speed. But this channel is dedicated specifically for affiliate marketing and email list building, the affiliate marketing email list building lifestyle. Okay, and so we're going to continue to talk about different ways, different techniques, different tactics, strategies, tools, and resources that you can use to do it. Thanks so much for sitting in on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys so very much. Let's make some things happen. Get hot, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep rocking.